Understanding construction contracts is essential for anyone involved in the construction industry. These contracts establish the legal and commercial framework for projects, manage risks, and set expectations for all parties involved. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Civil Mentors. In today's episode, we will cover the basics and types of construction contracts, as well as best practices and negotiation tips to ensure project success. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting in the construction field, the insights provided in this video will be valuable. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of the different types of contracts and their implications, allowing you to navigate the legal and commercial framework of any project with confidence. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand what a contract is. A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties, defining the terms and conditions under which work is performed. Construction contracts are essential for ensuring that projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to agreed-upon specifications. Both parties must adhere to the terms outlined in the contract to ensure a successful project outcome. There are several types of construction contracts, each with its unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's briefly discuss the most common ones. In a lump sum or fixed price contract, the contractor agrees to complete the project for a fixed, predetermined price. This type of contract places the risk on the contractor, as they must complete the work within the agreed-upon budget. The advantage is that it provides the client with cost certainty, while the disadvantage is that any changes to the scope or unforeseen issues can lead to disputes and additional costs. Lump sum contracts work best for projects with a well-defined scope and specifications. A unit price contract is based on the estimated quantities of materials and labor required for the project. The contractor bids on each work item based on a fixed rate per unit. This contract type is beneficial when the project scope is uncertain or when accurate quantities cannot be determined up front. The advantage is that it provides flexibility for both parties, while the disadvantage is that it can result in higher overall costs if the project scope increases. Under a cost-plus contract, the contractor is reimbursed for their actual costs, plus an agreed-upon fee or percentage for profit. This type of contract is often used when project requirements are not fully defined or when the project's scope is expected to change. The advantage is that it encourages collaboration between the client and contractor, while the disadvantage is that it can lead to cost overruns and requires close monitoring of expenses. In a design-build contract, a single entity is responsible for both designing and constructing the project. This approach streamlines the process and can result in time and cost savings. The advantage is that it fosters a collaborative environment and reduces potential conflicts between the design and construction teams. The disadvantage is that the client may have less control over the design and construction process. Now that we've covered the different types of contracts, let's discuss some best practices to ensure successful project outcomes. Clearly define scope and objectives. It's essential to have a well-defined project scope and clear objectives from the outset. This helps minimize potential disputes and misunderstandings between parties and ensures that everyone is working towards the same goal. Select the appropriate contract type. Choose the contract type that best suits your project's needs and risk allocation. Consider factors such as project complexity, scope, and level of uncertainty when making this decision. Develop comprehensive contract documents. Ensure that all contract documents, including drawings, specifications, and terms and conditions, are comprehensive and unambiguous. This helps prevent disputes and ensures that all parties understand their respective roles and responsibilities. Establish effective communication channels. Open and transparent communication between all parties is crucial for successful project execution. Establish regular progress meetings and reporting systems to ensure that everyone stays informed and any issues are addressed promptly. Implement a robust change management process. Changes are inevitable in construction projects. Having a robust change management process in place can help minimize cost overruns and delays. Ensure that all changes are documented, approved, and communicated to all relevant parties. Monitor project progress and performance. Keep a close eye on project progress and performance, using key performance indicators to track schedule, budget, and quality. This allows for timely intervention and course correction when necessary. Foster a collaborative environment. Encourage collaboration and teamwork among all stakeholders, including clients, contractors, and consultants. This can help identify and resolve issues more quickly and improve overall project outcomes. Resolve disputes quickly and fairly. Disputes are bound to arise in construction contracts. Address them quickly and fairly, using dispute resolution mechanisms outlined in the contract, such as negotiation, mediation, or arbitration. Remember that each project is unique, and the key is to select the right contract type and implement effective project management strategies. A well-structured and thought-out contract can make all the difference in ensuring a successful and smooth project execution. In addition to the contract, consider other factors like labor, construction technology, and major machinery. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and smash that like button and show us some love. Your support helps us create even more educational content for you.